Hi again, I'm Carson from Guys with Games. Today I'm going to show you how I play a game that I call Crossy Road in the ESL or EFL classroom. This game is quite similar to another game we featured last year on the channel called Honeycomb. Honeycomb, though, if you remember, it focuses on English definitions for a singular vocabulary recall. Here we're going to use the same mechanics to put a category and then have a duel between the two teams in our class about who can recall more vocabulary related to that topic. How you do it is that you will divide the class into two teams. I like to do this side and that side. Before they even come in, I'll write all the students who sit over here. I'll write their names on the left side of the whiteboard, and then all the students who sit over here, I'll write their names here. And I like to write the number beside their name so that the students know who's going to be next. It goes back and forth and back and forth and back and forth until somebody loses. The only preparation that you really need is first you need to think about how big of a map you want to make, and then count the boxes within that map and then come up with that many categories. That's where your preparation ends. One thing about the map, it could be bigger or smaller than this, but you need to make sure that the minimum number of steps to get from blue side to blue side matches the minimum number of steps that it would take to get from red to red. That's the goal of the game, to build a road. Okay, so how do you play? I've made a big map. I've written in all my categories. I'll choose a student. So maybe I'll randomly roll the dice. Okay, 4, you are first. Whoever that is, that person can choose one category. So let's say they choose fruit. Okay, fruit. You need to tell me one example, student 4. Ready, go. 5, 4, 3. And in that time, he or she will say something like apple. Good job. Student 5, what is another one? Banana. Student 6, orange. Student 7, pear. So on and so forth until somebody can't think of another original answer. We can't repeat. So let's say that was student 1. Student 1 couldn't think of another one. Well, the red team was the last one to think of one, so they get control of this box. They put their road, they're kind of trying to build a road from here to here, and then they win. So red gets this slab of pavement. But student 1 was the one that it broke on, so I will tell student 1, you can choose what is the next category we're going to play. And we keep doing this until, well, let's say they say countries, and the red team wins again after playing. As you can see, the red team's road is getting longer. Their goal is to connect here to here. The first team to do that wins the game. I usually don't play the entire map. I'll usually play until either one team wins, which could be quickly, or it is impossible for another team to win. So let's take a look at it here. Maybe red has won all of these spots. It's now impossible for blue to win because there's no way to connect a road from blue to blue. So the red team wins. That's how you play Crossy Road. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.